Hi guys, Roger again. Here this time, assuming that your students have already taken the test and you're looking to print out a report so that you can use the report for both your data reflection sessions and to enter your data into Illuminate, what you want to do is from your dashboard, we're going to click on Reports. And once we get to Reports, we're actually going to come up here to Reports again, and it's going to give us the option to do a class comprehensive report for the Personal Math Trainer. Now the Personal Math Trainer is what the system that we use for the math test. So we're going to click on Class Comprehensive. And when we do so, we're going to come over here to our Select a Class. Again, you're going to click on this little drop-down menu, and you're going to simply choose the class that you have, and we're going to click on Generate. Now, when you click on Generate, you're going to get a whole list of things here, and these are all the things that are available in the Personal Math Trainer. So if you've done an interactive student edition lesson, if you've done some homework activities, these things may appear here for the students. But again, we're focusing on the test. In order to get the actual test we're looking for, what we're going to do is come over here and click on my class name one more time. And when I do so, it's going to give me a whole list of assignments that I've created and assigned for my students. From here, I'm going to find the test that I want. So let's say we're looking at grade 5 math chapter 4, and I'm going to come over here and click on the percentage. And when I do so, it's going to give me a breakdown of each question for each student, their cumulative score, and this is going to be what we're going to use for data reflection and also to enter into Illuminate. Now this report right here as a printed version is not very printer friendly. It's actually not very friendly in terms of a PDF. So what we want to do here is export it, and we're going to actually export it as a spreadsheet. And when we do so, we're going to get a little download here. And once that download is complete, we can simply click on it. It will open up Microsoft Excel. Let me bring it into the window here. And you're going to see you've got your class item analysis, your resource. This is our Chapter 4 post-test for the LLCSD modified version. You've got your teacher, your class, and the scoring key. C stands for correct, P is for partially correct, and I is for incorrect. In terms of what you need to do as a teacher, all I would recommend is this column right here, column C, where the name is, does tend to cut off the students' names, especially with the longer names. So all we have to do is come up here, and where we see these two little arrows appear, this allows us to click and drag, allowing us to make this as large as we need to. Now I've got my student names. I've also got my titles here for my columns, and I've got a fairly easy report to print. From here to print it out, we would just simply do File. We will print. Once it finds the printers that are available. Now you will notice this report obviously does not look like something I would like. So some of the options you may want to think about is let me move this up for you here. On the bottom here, you've got, first of all, the portrait. It's going to print best in landscape, so that's going to help us a little bit, but you'll see it still only comes over to question 7. But you have a scaling option. Now when I click on the scaling option, if I choose fit all columns on one page, you will see then I get all questions 1 through 12 with the student names, and then I would be ready to print this report and use it. I hope that helps. Again, if you've got any questions, please feel free to call. And there will be further instructions on how this report will then be used to enter your data into Illuminate. Until then, we will see you soon. And again, I look forward to your comments as we learn this new online testing format that we've kind of ventured into. Thanks, and have a good day.